everyone, welcome back to our channel, my Lulila. Today, I'm trying to regrow basil. Basil is one of my favorite herbs. I use them in pizzas and some pasta recipes. You can grow basil from seeds, or you can buy it in seedlings, or you can regrow it from cuttings. You can also grow microgreen basils. I bought this recyclable growing tray in Wilco. I tried it, but unfortunately I didn't like the result because you see, though it has lots of roots, it didn't grow so well. It's uneven, unlike the one that I did with the chia seeds, just using an ordinary container. To regrow basil from cutting, all you need to do is a healthy basil plant, a jar or a bottle with water, and all you need to do is to cut from that plant. And then soak them in water. In a few days or probably a week, roots will start to develop. Then you can replant them in the soil. You can also place your basil plant indoors as long as it's well lighted. And once in a while, put them outside. I hope you liked the video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that you will be notified for our next upload. Thanks for watching. Bye.